Congratulations again, and to the owners of Royal Aesthetic. We got a great endorser out of Rabia. So I want to ask Rabia, how do you see this endorsement or partnership with Royal Aesthetic complementing your burgeoning or successful career nowadays?
Thank you, Adam.
Thank you so much, Adam. Honestly, there's so much pressure to maintain my face and body as a celebrity. So hindi natin maiiwasan because of years of, we age. Nandun talaga yung normal wear and tear of the body. So ako personally, I'm also having a lot of struggles. Kasi alam naman natin na to be in the public's eye, hindi biro minsan. Sometimes when I do gain weight, ang dami na agad nagsasabi na, lumaki siya, baka buntis siya, may kwento na agad sa head nila. So, yung expectation palagi ng tao is that yung Rabiang nakita nila sa Miss Universe is yung Rabia na makikita nila up until now. That's why I'm so blessed to have Royal Aesthetics to help me with maintaining my beauty and my body.
So is there pressure for you to always look good?
Definitely. It's a lie if sasabihin ko na ang pagiging maganda ay effortless. Nagumising ako to be like this. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of village. It takes a village for me to look like this. Especially po, I'm also struggling and open to this problem with my acne problem. Na from time to time, hindi natin naiiwasan because of stress, because of puyat, sa pagiging artista, yung mga bagay na po yun, kailangan po natin ng partner clinic kung saan tutulungan tayo to address with this skin problem because it's a problem, but there's a solution. And that's Royal Aesthetics.
Thank you. Last question for Mrs. Universe Philippines. Ma'am, how did you choose Rabia, or what criteria did you set in finding for your newest endorser? Ano po yung nakita niyo kay Rabia, that's why you tapped her as your newest endorser for this brand?
Okay. Rabia Mateo, I think she embodies the values and qualities that resonates with her brand. And also, one time nag-judge kami together in Miss Bilibining Parañaque, so I met her there. And that's why I think she's the perfect brand ambassador for Royal Aesthetics.
Alright, thank you very much po.
Is there any other questions from Pets? There you go.
Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, is Rabia the first brand ambassador for Royal Aesthetics? Aesthetic Clinic?
She is actually the second one, ma'am. The first one is Miss Natalie Hart po.
Natalie Hart. How did you particularly choose Rabia after you met her in that contest in Parañaque?
Yes, but after that one, actually, we followed each other on Instagram. And then I asked her, like, Miss Rabia, I think you're the perfect brand ambassador for our brand. And she said, like, yeah. Yeah. So I messaged her, and then I immediately asked Miguel, our PR manager, to contact po yung management ni Miss Rabia.
Was that last year only?
This year po.
This year?
Yes, January.
Can I ask her?
Yeah.
How do you take care of your skin? How do you take care of your face? You said you've been having acne problems lately. So, there.
I think the secret is having enough sleep. Pero sa taping po, ito yung isang sekreto ko din is that paggabi na, I do change my makeup. Naghihilamos po talaga ako. Skincare is very important. Dapat hindi, kahit anong pagod mo, kailangan masipag ka pagdating sa iyong mukha. But of course, as a woman, may mga days tayo na hindi talaga natin maiiwasan na may lumalabas na mga blemishes, like pimple, and pagtagal naging acne mark siya. So, kailangan talaga, every 2 weeks, I would also have my facial. And since I struggled with acne, even before joining Miss Universe Philippines, yun po ngayon yung ina-address namin because I have a good makeup lang. Thank you to Mama Shelo, but I have severe acne scars. So yun po yung ina-address namin.
We don't see it.
Good thing, you don't see it, guys. But deep down there, ang dami kong imperfections sa aking balat.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, do we have any more questions? Okay, we have.
Hi, good afternoon po. I'm Christian from the Crown Philippines. My question is for Rabia. Rabia, what was the first thing that came to mind when you first heard of the offer straight from Miss Arlene?
Sabi ko talaga kay Miss Arlene, kay Doc Arlene was, thank you so much. It's such a big honor talaga when brands like this, yung nagbibigay sa'yo offer directly. Bakit? Because there's a lot of beautiful celebrities, a lot of beauty queens, mas bago pa kaysa sa akin, but for her to see something in me, automatically, pinagdasal ko talaga at minanifest ko na, Lord, sana ibigay mo tong brand na to sa akin.
Wow, congratulations again. For Miss Arlene po, aside from the launch of Rabia being your ambassadors for the brand, can you share probably some scheduled activities for her or events pa po lined up as an ambassadors for her?
Soon we will have our photo shoot, and then most probably by this year we'll also put up a billboard.
Wow. Is it going to be an EDSA? Secret.
Surprise.
Wow.
Yes.
Congratulations po.
Thank you very much, Christian from the Crown Philippines. You also have one here.
Hi, Rabia. Nico Paulson from Pep Talk PH. My question is, what's your favorite treatment from Royal Aesthetics?
Ngayon, yung ginagawa sa akin is the vampire facial. Kung saan, if I'm not mistaken, Doc, parang nag-extract sila ng blood from me. Tapos yung plasma, yun yung ginagamit na serum. Together with that microneedling, so medyo binubutasan yung aking face para ipasok yung plasma, and that would lead to collagen synthesis. Tama po ba, Doc? Na-explain ko naman siya ng maayos. So that would help me to have more brighter complexion, even texture sa skin ko, kasi yun po talaga yung struggle ko is my acne scars.
Another question, since some people think for vanity lang yung pagpunta ng clinics, ng aesthetic clinics, or how would you encourage them to take care of, to do self-care and
You know what? Medyo half-hearted ako sa question because I also come from humble beginnings. And honestly, when you have nothing in life, unahin mo talaga yung necessity, like food, shelter, to survive day to day. However, we also encourage people na if you have, the budget to do so, to invest in the right things, to bring out the best in people. So, alam ko po, we live in a developing country at maraming minsan tumataas ng kilay because they just think that this is for pure vanity. But there's a lot of, individuals, hindi lang babae, but also men who want to look at their best. So yun po yung market namin dito sa Royal Aesthetics. People who want to bring out the best confidence and reach their maximum potential in life.
next question, Miss Arlene, is Rabia endorsing a specific treatment?
Yes, po. Currently, when she visited po, she tried the vampire facial. Also, I think Dr. Roda assisted her, so she will be able to answer this question.
With regards to the problem of Ms. Rabia, we're planning to really make sure that her complexion will be clearer and then the scars will be improved. So right now, we're giving her the vampire facial with microneedling. As we all know, microneedling makes what she said is collagen synthesis, and of course for the scar revision. So that's our plan for her, and we'll also be giving her a lot of nutrition for her skin. We'll be doing facials, and we'll go from there.
Thank you so much, Fox.
Hi, I'm Kate from Random Republica. When do you feel most beautiful?
Honestly, there are days when I wake up in the morning and when I look in the mirror and I would say na, wow, I look good today. Especially, no no pun intended to have, especially when I have my facial toner. Kasi iba po talaga yung glow ng skin after pag in-apply yung serum with Dermaclear treatment as well. It's a facial kung saan ina-extract yung mga whiteheads natin. Kasi kahit wala akong makeup at all, I can really see my skin that is very healthy, that is glowing. Na minsan napapasabi ako na, okay, sige, maganda ako nung Miss Universe Philippines, pero yung skin ko pala maigaganda pa with the treatment together with Royal Aesthetics.
And earlier, you mentioned having to deal with acne, right? So a lot of young girls look up to you who are probably dealing with acne. What advice would you give them?
Ito medyo sensitive yung advice ko. Go to a doctor. Kasi dati, what I would do is that I would watch bloggers, you know, and I would see na, oh, this product worked for them. Then I would buy that product and then my skin would get worse. Tapos manonood na naman ako ng different video and then, you know, lumalala ng lumalala. It didn't work for me. So, dapat pumunta talaga sa doktor so that mache-check nila what's causing your acne. If it's hereditary, ano ba yung magagawa natin? Medication na pwedeng ibigay. Because yung skin problem, marami siyang causes, marami siyang pinanggagalingan. So, dapat pumunta tayo sa taong nakakaalam. At ang mga dermatologists po from Royal Aesthetics, it took them years of experience studying with their knowledge and wisdom. And I'm sure yung mabibigay nilang solusyon is the best solution po para sa kanilang kliyente.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you very much. Let's see over here on this side. There you go. We have a few more questions here.
Good afternoon, Rabia. Congratulations. So, ikaw ba meron ka pa rin nabanggit mo na kanina yung acne, pero how do you deal with your insecurities as a woman, as an actress?
I usually talk about it because I also have a lot of insecurities po up until now. Like, I remember when I joined Miss Universe na mismo, I had this photo kung saan kita yung tuhod ko and it wasn't even. And then people were saying na, ano ba naman to, ang itim ng tuhod, things like that. I have scars sa tuhod ko po. Kasi during that time, I didn't even know bilang bata na magiging Miss Universe ako. Kung alam ko lang, sana inalagaan ko na yung balat ko. But again, I came from a humble beginning. Yung panglaban lang po namin sa kagat ng lamok ay musketero. You know what I mean? So parang yung mga insecurities ko na to, sinasabi ko kay Doc, I'm very open about it. Sinasabi ko, Doc, what do you think about, kunyari my arms? Is it too big? Do I need to have a treatment for it na? Or, kasi alam niyo po, especially with celebrities, a lot of people are having body dysmorphia. And I'm speaking on behalf of a lot of, you know, celebrities na nakausap ko, na it's so hard kasi people would always nitpick sa itsura namin. And minsan pumapasok po siya sa isip namin. So, bilib po ako sa maraming tao na pag, kunyari, nagkakaroon ng bashing about their body, kaya nilang i-shake off. Pero there are also individuals na nasasaktan sila at nawawala yung confidence nila about that. But always kung may problem, meron po tayong solusyon. Yun po talaga yung nakalagay sa isip ko.
So ikaw personally, do you get affected when people nitpick about your flaws or things they see about your body?
Dati po, when I was new in show business, honestly, it's hurtful. Pero ngayon, natatawa na lang din po talaga ako. Probably because throughout the years, I was able to separate my personal life from the public opinion. And it's not easy po. It doesn't happen overnight na, okay, ito dapat yung mindset ko. Parang it took a lot of issues and problems bilang isang artista for me to learn from it. But now, sometimes, I remember I had this video where I have a bad posture. So, medyo kifotic ako. Tapos yung chan ko nakaputrud. And people there would like, they would tag me and say, "Congratulations, Rabia, you're pregnant." Something like that. Pero pinagtawanan ko na lang po yung video na yun. Kasi it was just one angle na, bad angle na.
Thank you, Rabia.
Thank you.
Hi, Rabia again. Sorry, I've got a few more questions kasi bigyan pa na namin makita. And, I'm so happy. We from the pageant media are so happy to...
Royal Aesthetics Brand Ambassador, Miss Rabia Mateo. Once again, I'm your host, Amanda Passes. Enjoy the rest of your evening, everybody, and we'll see you. See you very, very soon. Thank you very much.
Rabia, short message lang for
Alexi. Hello, Alexi. Kamusta ka dira? Balaan ko gid nga you are in great hands and almost tanan prepared na gid para sa mga competition. Basta balaan ko nga basko gid ang imo nga spirit inside to make the Ilonggos proud. Kaya tani abanse babaye, ikaw na gid yat. Yun ang pag-pray gid namon nga ikaw na ang maging next Miss Universe Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you.